morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another episode of Mr. Superleggera. So guys, in today's video we have three things we want to achieve. The first one is these wheels. They're obviously white, but if we get close, you'll see that there's black carbon dust all over them. We only cleaned them a week ago. And this is an issue obviously because they're supposed to be white, and having black carbon dust on them, they're not completely white. So I did a bit of internet research, and we're going to go down to Autobahn today and pick up a brake dust wheel repellent. We're going to try that on the car, see how that goes. The second thing for today, we're going to be teaching Nick how to drive a manual. So this video is mainly going to be about learning how to drive a manual. So Nick's our test subject. He's never driven a manual before, so this should be a bit interesting. Third thing, and well, actually the first thing, but the third thing on the list of what we're going to get done today is we're going to super cheat with Mitch. I lost the wheel nut adapter because these wheels have anti-theft lugs on them. I need a new one because I can't actually pull the lugs off otherwise, so we're going to go get that. And we're just going to go get some general stuff from Super Cheap, as these wheels aren't exactly perfect. They've got a lot of nicks and scratches in them, so this isn't brake dust, this is actually like paint wear. So we're going to go down to Super Cheap. Mitch knows how to fix it, so we're going to go buy the products to do that, and then we'll be able to fix them up once we get back. So let's get to it. License and registration.
What the fuck's a VRSL station?
Can I get your invitation?
No.
Good morning.
Yes.
Welcome back to the channel. Hi Keely.
Hi.
What?
What does the GTI do?
Oh, not much.
The turbo whistle's nice. So we got Mitch performing quality work as usual. So previous owner of my car had not looked after the wheels very well, and it did have some curb rash in it, so Mitch has done an excellent job of cleaning, sealing,
Just filling,
and then we're going to paint them in a second. But if you need to, if you need any like small maintenance shit done, hit up Mitch.
So,
Mitch has done an extremely good job of the, what do you call this?
bodgy wheel repairs.
With Mitchell.
Yeah.
We got another 3 to do after this.
Yeah, it's tomorrow's job.
So it didn't really turn out as planned, unfortunately. Nick's here, by the way. So we're just gonna sort of drive it off.
It's fucking on well.
Alright guys, so we've got Nick now. He's taking me to lunch at KFC. We're gonna go wash his car. Paint didn't work out too well on the wheels, so we'll get that in another vlog, but we're gonna go get our brake dust repellent. We have drinks, we have lunch, we have Nick, and Holden Commodore. Let's go to lunch. We finished lunch. Now we're gonna head to the car wash real quick, give Nick's car a quick rinse, and then take him for a ride in my car. In a well, not in a manual, but this will be his first time driving. So you've obviously got a gear stick. This one's a bit floppy compared to the original one. First step in learning manual, buy a ship box. There's nothing better than a 90s ship box from Japan. The cheapest chips to fix. They're so easy to drive. They're so lightweight. They don't have a lot of power, so you can't really get yourself into a lot of tricky situations, but they still have the grip and brakes to keep you safe. My preference would be a 1998 Toyota Starlet. This is the Toyota Starlet 1998. But unfortunately we don't have the Starlet anymore, so we got the next best thing. Mazda 323 Astina, 1.6, 4-cylinder, front wheel drive. We got upgraded width on the tyres, and it's a clean car, it'll do. So down here we got the gear stick. As you can see, there's numbers and letters on it. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there your gear ratio is going forward, and R obviously stands for race mode. I mean reverse, of course. So when you're in the freeway, you definitely don't put it into R unless you want to hit some insanely it's expensive repair costs. You also need 3 pedals. As you can see, we have 2 small pedals, so the clutch, brake, and accelerator. The clutch is what you use to disengage the transmission from the wheels. The brake is obviously to slow the car down. The accelerator is obviously to speed the engine up. So when you're starting, you start with the clutch in, and then you shift the gear stick into first. So I'll just push the clutch in now. The motion you got to go through, you'll start with the clutch in and the accelerator out, and you got to just practice just doing the opposite things with opposite feet. So as you bring the clutch out, you're pushing the accelerator in. As you're pushing the clutch in, the accelerator just rips out. Start gently and you just accelerate as you bring the clutch out. It'll begin to bite a little bit of the way out. Depending on your car, it changes on the car, but as long as you slowly bring it out and you keep accelerating as you're bringing it out, then it's fine. Gear stick in first. As you can hear, the car doesn't move. It also doesn't jolt or anything. It's not making any grinding noises, as opposed to without the clutch, it just won't go into gear. Alright, so when you push the clutch in, as I said, it disengages the transmission. The idea of doing this, you're supposed to be really gentle with the clutch, and if you bring it out slowly, you get it to the friction point and then start to accelerate. If you can keep the clutch in just a little bit, and then as you start moving, you obviously bring the clutch out again to get it going. And a bit of accelerator. Bring the clutch out to the friction point halfway, and then once you're moving, bring it out. Now to shift gears, you obviously got to get a bit of speed up. You just put the clutch in, move the stick into second, and then slowly bring the clutch out again and accelerate as you're bringing it out. Here we have Nick in his first attempts in a manual. So clutch in, bro. Put it in first, and then handbrake off. Foot on the accelerator and just slowly bring the clutch out, just halfway, and then accelerate. There you go. Accelerate. Keep accelerating. Keep accelerating. There you go. Alright, now clutch in. Gentle shift into second. Pull it down. There you go. Now slow clutch out. Slowly with the clutch, and then accelerate again. Yeah, accelerate a little bit. Accelerate, accelerate, accelerate. There you go. Nice. Bit jerky, but not bad. Shift into second, clutch in, second. Yes, clutch slowly out. Keep going. Accelerate more, accelerate more, accelerate more. Alright, shift now, third. There you go, clutch out again. Now come into the intersection. Remember the technique. Keep it to the left and then just down. There you go, nice. Clutch out slowly, indicate left. We'll go left here. Yeah. Another technique to driving manual, if you're not confident in that method, you just got to practice bringing the RPMs up and just holding it between about 2,000 and 3,000 if you're in a manual, or about 1,500 if you're in a diesel. Now, diesels obviously don't rev as much as petrols, but if diesels produce torque a lot earlier, because that's just how diesel engines are built. So to get it started doing it that way, you just bring it up to like 2,500 RPM, and then you just put it in gear and slowly bring the clutch out while holding your right foot steady. That's your emergency stop. In a manual, you can't just floor the brake like in an auto. You have to use both the left pedals. Nick's actually been doing pretty well. He's just got like more time in this, he'll get it down pat. He can already drive an auto, he's just got to learn to get into first a bit more. But other than that, he's not been doing too bad. So we'll just finish up doing a bit more with him. And then thank you for today, Mr. Nicholas.
No problem, bud.
Lunch was delicious. Driving was interesting, but you're getting there. I'm honestly really happy with you. You're doing a great job. We just went down to Super Cheap, picked up this brake dust repellent. Hopefully, going to fix the dust that appears on the white wheels. But yeah. Alrighty, have a great afternoon, we'll see you again soon.
You too, brother.
That is going to end today's vlog. I hope it was enough content for you guys. It didn't seem like a lot personally from me filming. We obviously had a go at the wheels, but it didn't actually end up too well. We're not going to put this on in this vlog, we're going to put it on in the next vlog. I've seen a few videos and it has looked like it's worked on some of those cars and they've had pretty light coloured wheels, so we'll see how that goes. Down below, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, and comment any ideas of anything you want to see on the channel next time. But have a great night, guys. Peace.